Let's paint a blue crab. Wet the carapace and then paint in different grays, browns, and blues. Use what colors you have. In this painting, I've used cobalt blue, raw umber, and permanent alizarin crimson. Mix your grays with blue and brown. Try to add some darker colors as it slopes down towards the spines. Add some blue to the highest part of the crab as it is reflecting some sky color, and it will help give the crab dimension. While still wet, add red to the spines and the teeth of the carapace so they blend in nicely. Add some salt for the spotty appearance. Yikes, that was way too much. Scrape in some lines with the back of a paintbrush. Pick up some highlights with a Q-tip. The carapace has 8 teeth on each side. Let it dry and watch the salt do its magic. If you're interested in a painting kit to paint this blue crab, watch to the end and also see my Etsy link in the description below. Mix up darker blue by adding some brown to it. Some dimension to the claw legs by adding some dark blues and browns to the joint areas. The blue crab has 3 pairs of walking legs, although in the picture that I took you can't see them all. His back paddle-shaped legs are called swimmerettes. They rotate in the water, allowing them to quickly swim. There are small hairs on the underside of the swimmerettes. To paint those, add a line of brown next to the blue and then soften with clean water. Once dry, remove the salt with your hand. I continued to work my way around the crab, adding in blues, browns, and grays. And while it's still wet, I added in some red. Darker shadows were added under the carapace, and then softened with a damp brush. These shadows give it dimension. Another layer of red is glazed on to enhance the color. Shadows are added to the joints. The sharp point of a cut-up credit card is used to scrape in some fine lines. The eyes, eye stalks, and mouth parts are painted in gray. A maroon color is mixed with the alizarin crimson and raw umber. The colorization of his claws is achieved by using dry brush. Hold the belly of the brush parallel to the paper and quickly swipe, only catching the ridges of the paper. Highlights can be lifted with a damp, stiff brush and a paper towel. Add in some final darks. And here is the finished crab. A purple shadow can be added by mixing the red and the blue. See my Etsy shop for a painting kit, including the drawing on watercolor paper and paint dots to use to paint it with.